Hey everyone, welcome back to this new video. In this video, I gonna share with you a solution for a problem. What is problem? Problem is how to start English learning from zero. This is a very common problem. Okay, so in this video, I will share with you complete solution for this problem step by step in 5 steps only. Okay, so before starting the video, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe the channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. Our first step is learn simple words. Okay, simple words means vocabulary. First of all, you need to understand if you wanna speak English like a native speaker. Okay, so you need simple words. You need remember simple words. Okay, but simple words, for example, like water, food, home, like these kind of type words, first you remember. Okay, so this is our first step. If you fulfill this first step, then let's move on second step. Our second step is you learn simple phrases. You know simple phrases? Simple phrases means like 2 words, 3 words, sentences or phrases. Okay, like that. For example, like hello, thank you, what's up, how are you, where are you going? This kind of type sentences or phrases you use in your beginning journey. Okay. Our third step is very simple. Third step is you listen. You know, listening is the very important thing to learn anything or to learn any language easily. If you wanna speak, if you wanna learn any kind of type language, if you start learning or listening any kind of type language, you can easily understand, you easily learn without any kind of type problem. But if you face any kind of type problem, like you don't know what to hear, you don't know what's the meaning, what you are hearing, you don't know. But when you focus on your words, whichever you hear, okay, you focus on words only. If you focus on your words, then you easily understand what you are listening. Okay, let's our fourth tip is practice speaking. Practice speaking. Okay, you know, without speaking any kind of type language, learning journey is not complete without speaking. Okay, so if you want to speak, if you want to speak any kind of type language without speaking, it's not absolute. But you know, speaking is the very different process. For speaking, you have to need a combination of sentences or grammatical rules also. Then if you make a great combination vocabulary words and grammatical rules, then you can create new phrases, new sentences. You easily, your mind create automatically new sentences. Okay, so this is our fourth step. Let's talk about fifth step. Fifth step is be patient and have fun. You know, like this step is very common. Everyone can say and you patient, keep patience, like that. But I am talking about only patient with practice learning, with practice time. Practice time means like you are doing daily practice. It's just 10 minutes, 20 minutes only. But if you have a patience for a month, 2 month, 3 month, you easily understand, you easily differentiate yourself Okay, you easily to differentiate with your past time. Easily understand, you easily differentiate. Okay, so this is our fifth step. If you follow these 5 steps, you easily improve your English speaking language or skill. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, then like, thumbs up this video and subscribe English learning more tips like this. So see you in my next video very soon.